Opening your first stocks and shares ISA sounds like a grown-up, complicated thing. It isn't. The actual sign-up takes about 10 minutes, and you can start with as little as £25 a month. The hard part was never the paperwork. It's just knowing the handful of steps, in the right order. So let's walk through them. First, the thing almost nobody explains clearly. A stocks and shares ISA is not an investment. It's a wrapper. Think of it as a tax-free box you put investments inside. Whatever your money earns in that box, the growth and the dividends, is yours, with no tax to pay and nothing to report. In the current tax year, you can put up to £20,000 into ISAs. The box itself does nothing until you choose what goes in it. That's the part people miss, and it's the whole game. Step 1. Make sure investing is the right move right now. 3 quick checks. First, clear any expensive debt, things like credit cards, where the interest is far higher than anything you'd expect to earn by investing. Second, keep a small cash buffer, ideally a few months of essential spending, somewhere safe and instant, so you're never forced to sell when life happens. And third, you'll need to be 18 or over and a UK resident. Tick those, and you're ready. Step 2. Pick a platform to hold your ISA. This is just the company whose app or website you'll log into. There are several well-known UK providers, and honestly, for a beginner, the differences are smaller than the adverts suggest. The one thing worth comparing is fees, not the marketing. Look at 2 numbers, the platform's own charge, and the cost of the fund you'll buy. Low and simple beats clever. Pick one and move on, you can always switch later. Step 3. Open the account. This is the 10-minute bit. You'll need your national insurance number and a debit card to set up payments. You fill in a few details, and that's it, the ISA is open. But here's the trap that catches so many people. Opening the ISA is not the same as investing. At this point, your money is just sitting there as cash. Nothing is growing yet. Which brings us to the step that actually matters. Step 4. Actually invest the money. Inside your ISA, you choose what to buy. For most beginners, the simplest sensible choice is a single low-cost global index fund. In one purchase, that spreads your money across thousands of companies all around the world, so you're not betting on any single one. Then do 2 things. Set up an automatic payment each month, so investing happens without you having to think about it. And choose the version of the fund that automatically reinvests your dividends, so your returns start earning returns of their own. Then, the strangest instruction in personal finance, leave it alone. No daily checking, no tinkering. You've built the machine. Now let it run. To finish, the 4 mistakes that quietly cost people the most. 1. Leaving money sitting as cash in the ISA, never actually invested. 2. Paying high fees that eat your returns year after year. 3. Chasing last year's winners instead of just owning the whole market. And 4. Panic selling the moment markets drop, which turns a temporary fall into a permanent loss. Avoid those 4, automate the rest, and ignore the noise. That's genuinely most of it. If this helped, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, this is general information, not financial advice. Quick heads up before you go, these ISA rules are changing in 2027. The next video breaks down exactly what's changing and what it means for you. See you there.